So a lot of people are asking for details on the new Bible show that everyone is speaking about and how it works. I'm going to give details, so please pay attention and please follow the instructions because it is needed to win. The first thing you have to do is to go to our YouTube page, Akwetey Amaah, and subscribe. Then make sure you hit the notification bell so that when videos go up, you are prompted on your phone. This step is very important because its first correct answer wins the price tag. So it means you cannot be late in finding out about the questions. So as mentioned, the first step is to visit our YouTube page, subscribe, and hit the notification button for alerts. After you have subscribed to the YouTube channel, go to the website www.tasteoftext.org and register to join the show. You have to register only once, just once, not twice, just once. Now, if you want to submit an answer to a question, make your way to the website www.tasteoftext.org, don't forget that, and scroll to the Submit Answer form. Fill in the information requested. Here, your phone number is important because it's the easiest way to reach you should you win. Select the question you are submitting an answer to, and then submit your answer. Questions go up on Sundays at 3 p.m. GMT. That is 7 a.m. Pacific and 10 a.m. Eastern. Winners to previous questions are announced on Mondays. There you have it. I hope this clarifies everything. Enjoy the show. Get rewarded for studying the scriptures. What seest thou?